In 1956, an engineer reached into a box of parts and grabbed the wrong one. That single mistake is beating inside 3 million human chests right now. His name was Wilson Greatbatch, and he wasn't trying to save anyone. He was just building a small device to record heart sounds. Routine work. Boring, even. He needed a 10,000 ohm resistor to finish the circuit, but the box was full of nearly identical parts, and the one he pulled out was 100 times stronger. He soldered it in anyway, and the device refused to record anything. Instead, it started pulsing. A tiny electrical tick. Then silence. Then another tick, over and over, perfectly steady. He stared at it and realized what he was listening to. It was the exact electrical rhythm of a human heart. Now, here is what nobody talks about. Pacemakers already existed in 1956, but they were the size of a television set. They strapped to a cart, plugged into the wall, and followed patients around the hospital. And in 1957, a power blackout hit Minnesota. Doctors learned a horrifying truth. When the grid died, so did the patients. So the entire medical field was chasing one impossible dream: a pacemaker small enough to live inside the body. And Greatbatch was holding one, built by accident on his workbench. But it gets crazier. He didn't sell the idea. He took $2,000 of his own savings, moved into the barn behind his house, and hand-built 50 of them. 2 years of soldering in a hayloft. In 1958, he wired one to a dog's heart, and the machine took over the heartbeat completely. In 1960, surgeons sewed his barn-built device into a 77-year-old man whose heart kept stopping. It didn't stop again. And he still wasn't done. When the batteries kept dying, Greatbatch invented a new one. A lithium cell so reliable, it now powers almost every pacemaker on Earth. Today, one gets implanted roughly every 30 seconds. But here is the part that should actually haunt you. Greatbatch said it himself late in his life. In a modern, highly regulated lab, that wrong resistor gets caught, corrected, and thrown in the trash. No pulse, no pacemaker, no 3 million heartbeats. His mistake survived, only because he was working alone, with nobody there to fix it. So, how many world-changing machines have already been built by accident and thrown away by someone just doing their job correctly? If you think you know one, drop it below. The best answer becomes a future file. And subscribe, because this archive is full of mistakes that changed everything.